Okay, family, I'm going to be taking you through my post-workout stretch routine after a heavy leg day. If you feel like you can't sit down and it's hard to walk, you need to start doing these. Please start taking your stretching more serious. This is going to help prevent any of those annoying injuries and help with muscle growth. I split each of these exercises into specific muscle groups. So I started off with hamstrings and now I am into hips and glutes. I'm holding each position for about 15 to 30 seconds. Feel free to hold it for longer if you feel like it's not enough time. I'm also using a foam roller for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on how tight that muscle is. This is going to help release that tension in the muscle. It's going to be painful, but you got to put up with it. And remember, static stretching is after your workouts and dynamic is before. So static is going to be still, dynamic is going to be more movement. So please stop avoiding your stretching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.